Hello, Mirantis Training is pleased to offer our Advanced Kubernetes course CN330 in an on-demand format in addition to our successful instructor-led format. Here's what you can expect from this course. In Advanced Kubernetes Security, you'll spend the bulk of your learning time engaged in lab activities in real cloud servers, not just simulations. This practical experience is supplemented by lessons that will help you develop the skills and knowledge needed for implementing security measures from code into a production Kubernetes cluster. This advanced course is a great next step in your cloud-native journey. At the end of this course, you will have knowledge and skills that will aid in passing the CKS, or Certified Kubernetes Security exam. Advanced Kubernetes Security covers everything that you need to know in order to add security mechanisms along the code deployment pipeline to review and remediate security concerns within a Kubernetes infrastructure. Topics include declarative configuration analysis, container image scanning, CIS benchmark scanning and remediation, and identifying and mitigating attack vectors within Kubernetes. Kubernetes operations and systems integrations teams will benefit greatly as they work towards creating a security posture that aligns with the security policies for their Kubernetes environments. This course is targeted at infrastructure and integration engineers tasked with implementing, running, and reporting on security posture of Kubernetes environment, developers responsible for scanning and remediating security issues within application coding, and IT professionals looking to expand their skills in Kubernetes security. Sign up today and build your skills in cloud-native security with Advanced Kubernetes Security. We look forward to seeing you in class.